Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your favorite soccer podcast in the land. This is our Deb 3 TV. The name of the show is A Person and Movie if you're watching us for the first time. Uh, eish, namhla kunzima madoda, angazi ukuthi ngithini, but as always, we're proudly brought to you by Deb 3 Events, Deb 3 Media, and also Deb 3 Studio. As always, with me, I've got my partners in crime in this thing. I've got Crispin Machisi, the champion, Southern Region champion. Then I've got Omar Sutu,
Sure.
Uzbiza A Islanders #1 supporter. Look, number one, njengoba selibane ngangang. Ulabo TK.
Wethi bathuthi kuwe.
Labo mfundisi, labo referee.
Mina I'm the number one. I'm so number one. Tuthi abingasekho enhlizweni.
It's very it's in the heart.
Yeah.
Hey machita, angazi nizwela ozabe sibukela for the first time. Okokuqala never done, but before we go on, guys, namhla I've got mixed feelings.
Yeah.
I'm happy. I'm a gift bags, guys. Our friends of the show, but gents, after the show, ezindlini empty-handed. We've got a gift bag that been sent. We've been bought by our friends of the show. It's unfortunate ukuthi abathandi yazi ukuthi abanye abantu abahambri ngendlela ukuthi bebengafuni ukuthi azibonakalise ukuthi umqamba ngendlela esiziqhenya ngayo ngabo angutshela imanga, but bona babengafuni ukuthi bebe out there emhlabeni, but ngabantu abathanda ishow lokhana ukuthi bathe guys lingahambe endlini kwasithuzi ungayi nje abantu bazathi ncenga ngikhuluma okwamanga ama sihlesi ishow ihlirana vele umuntu lo muntu ele gift bag yakhe eceleni because babe yabungathemba soloke sithi siyarula kanti ukwasitho ngapha uyazichamfela lo menzi babhizi bazigabhulela mangwa
Bathatha amabhanda kwatsha. Siyabonga wasituzi.
Khanya ngezikhala mnandi la lizangazi siziphathe.
eish madudes
Siyabonga.
ukwanda kwaliwa ngabathakathi
Kakhulu.
ukwanda kwalo lo Garnet in absentia lo Garnet in absentia
Babe serious.
ngufake ifaka
Umlima yandisi laba bakhiphe
faka phambi
khona.
kwakho nje uma ufuna ngufake ama-chef maningi
Uthi ngifake phambi kwami kwenze bebe ngiyibona ngachacha ngikhanyile.
wena ngani inyanga le ngani ngeyakho le
Ndoda
izolo kudula ama-champagne
champagne la unhloko.
namuhla sebekuthe another one but from the bottom of our hearts siyabonga. So ngathi umlimo engandisa abantu abasithandayo abasixhasayo abasupportayo.
Yeah. That is it. May God bless them exceedingly above their expectations.
Yeah. Siyabonga lathi kakhulu. So ngathi abanye lani lingasihawukela khona siyakuba lamandla. Ulifakela amashow amahle.
Karosela amandla nje.
Akathesa amandla sengilawo mdala
Sokufika.
sebona into ezinhle. So akathi sengama powers.
Anyway, guys, let's get the show on the road. I've got mixed feelings.
Yeah.
I'm happy Khathesi, but into ezaqala ngayo izathi ngizayehla
Lower
mphinde
down.
ngiqanise futhi. iZifa appointed ucoach, guys. Zifa is finally appointed ucoach we national team. Simzile sonke. He goes by the name Mario Marinica. Romania. Abaningi abebhora siyamazi ke sambona coach iMalawi. But kule incwadi eZifa ephumileyo bafaka uChelsea, bafaka uArsenal, bafaka angikwazi iChelsea yangona yipi because ngithe ngiyachecka
Maybe ama-women. Ama-under 17 women.
hayi vele iChelsea ayikho ku-CV yakho umjidi, but incwadi leZifa lapha ngimbone appear besithi
Ukwadlalela khona.
ukwacoacha la ku-Chelsea ukwacoacha la ku-Liverpool le Tottenham, but ngithe ngiyachecka senzile ngimana ngibe serious ngigugle kuhle umjida lo iChelsea angiyibonanga, iLiverpool angiyibonanga, angikwazi. But anyway, nguye ucoach esimphiwe. What's your take to be
ngibone ku-Arsenal uthiwa coach ama-under 15
ama-junior? U-Arsenal ama-juniors ukhona. So what's your take ngo-Mario Marinica?
hayi na ukuthi uthi ngu-good coach i-bad coach ungamazi so kunzima and izifa yona ngendlela bona i-statement abasikhulumayo bathi babone i-project abafuna ukuyenza ehambelana layo
Alright.
yena ucoach yena lo so asazi ukuthi yena ucoach zithi njengoba asikamboni like akachaya i-press conference yokuthi abantu bezwe i-vision yalayo ngebhora lethu ukuthi siza kuya khatshana or sizabe silokhu sifanana la uqala yabo so yikho kumele ukuthi sibone ukuthi njengoba kulama-friendly la sibone ukuthi yena ubuye lani in terms of play in terms of ukuthi ufuna sifike ku-AFCON siyoyenzani yabo so yikho sifuna ukuthi sikubone ezifeni ukuthi uhamba njani because kwesinye isikhathi sizasola kanti umuntu ubuya lamagunanzi kanti
Hayi angeke ngithathe umbono wakho. Mana ngizwe Masudi wena uthini ngoMario Marinica?
Mina honestly according to iZimbabwe uthi isesigabeni esinjani, mina mbona ngani lathi lama coaches ade fakiwe kulamanye ade siwa expector ngenxa yokuthi imumo wesquad umenjani. Mbona bahluleke kakhulu. That guy mbona hayi iZimbabwe now ade ifuna ucoach lwana sibili olthatha from izinga elikilo lifake lapha. Hayi khona lo kuthiwa ifinder imbasambasa sizabona ngakho. Lapha mina mbona ngani hayi sifeyilile. Ambona ukuthi asazi football is football, ama results angaphuma but hayi in terms of ambona singakhangelela okuningi kuye. Mina vele ngikhangelela ukuthi hayi sokuyimboza singazi.
Mina into ehle yandanisa ukuchecka obviously ibhora you cannot predict the future but i-CV yekhulumayo. I think ngama-CV abo coach esilabo even locally guys we've got better coaches, we've even ngingafaka uSande Chitsambo ngimfake lapha, ngimfaka uMario Marinica ngimfake lapha ngithi CV uSande Chitsambo kwambali akamuzwa. Alright mana ngiqale ngibali incwadi just to give context ama viewers abanye maybe babengakwazi ukuthi i-press release incwadi lana yakhona ezifa ithini. Zimbabwe Football Association ZIFA is pleased to announce the appointment of Mario Marinica as the new head coach of Zimbabwe senior men's national football team, the Warriors, on a 1-year contract. A highly accomplished UEFA Pro licensed coach, Marinica brings over 25 years of international coaching and technical experience across 4 continents: Africa, Europe, Asia, and South America. He holds a postgraduate diploma in sports coaching from South Bank University, England, and a diploma in management, underlining a blend of technical expertise and strategic leadership. Throughout his distinguished career, Marinica has worked with several prestigious clubs and national teams, including Arsenal FC, Chelsea FC, Internazionale Milano, AC Monaco, Liverpool FC, and Tottenham Hotspur, as well as the Paraguay, Mauritius, Malawi, and Liberia national teams. Under his leadership, Malawi reached the round of 16 at the 2022 Africa Cup of Nations, their best ever finish, while Liberia became the highest climber in the FIFA rankings in June 2024. Marinica's background also includes serving as a technical director, coach, educator, and performance consultant with deep expertise in player development, match analysis, and grassroots structures. His track record of empowering local coaches and integrating diaspora talent aligns closely with ZIFA's long-term football development strategy. Speaking on the appointment, ZIFA President Ngobile Magwizi said, "We are delighted to welcome Coach Marinica to Zimbabwe. His wealth of experience, modern football philosophy, and proven results at international level make him the ideal candidate to lead the Warriors into a new era. His appointment reflects ZIFA's commitment to building a competitive and sustainable football structure that delivers results both on and off the pitch. Coach Marinica will assume his duties with immediate effect." Gents, now nansi statement esikhishwe yiZIFA ngoMarinica. Mina ngithe checker, as I have said before. ucoach eMalawi ucoach eLiberia
wazi wakho
yoma abantu bathi international experience
yeah
ngathi ngiyachecka
kubo Liverpool Chelsea
ngathola ubezikhotshela amanda 15 bekungama exchange program ngazibuza ukuthi surely are we serious as a country, as a footballing nation? Sikhuluma ngumuntu obezikhotshela ama juniors, amanda 15, amanda 13. Why bengahlanga bambiza oba ngucoach wamanda 15 ngabe befuna i-development? Ngoba on a serious level ucoach onje nge-CV nje, so as I said before, ngathatha uSandy Chitsamba imfake uSandy Chitsamba was first coach to qualify Zimbabwe to AFCON. Kusasenzima ukuqualify. Medist first time iZimbabwe qualify AFCON Sandy Chitsamba. Watshengisa izinto ukuthi fluke wasibisela futhi. iDynamos is the only team that has played the CAF ama finals 98.
Yeah.
Sandy Chitsamba. Championship. Lo nxa ngikhuluma ngamacha gala.
Ngiyole 4 yini.
Amakhosi speak of course ambule 5, kumbe 6. Zimbabwe wonke amakhosi ava ngoSandy Chitsamba. Wonke.
Usakhuluma njalo thina lapha uletha enye point uthi bona baboneni kuye. Ulani na maybe akuproduce Malawi umbulani.
I-press release kaMagwizi sithi ucoach lo thina simfakele lokhu lalokho sebona amafans chinga la.
Yiyo phela lede ukhulumele ngoba noMagwizi ukuthi yena ukhangele ukuthi umember developmental wise ikonsi wayengahle ngamqhathwa wathi under 17
coach ngitsho ngithi yena vele ngokubona abantu bathi bafuna ukubuild ibhola leZimbabwe which is proper but bekufuna at least someone ole civil yani ukuthi uyanika lama players ihope uyabona ukuthi maybe njoba ade bebaningi abantu ade belaphana ama coaches are blind and abantu abaningi ade bekhayelele ama good coaches ukuthi maybe la sesengathola 1 but
wabona imali ukuthi bathini bemcoach indodana lo
ngibone ilokhu zenini yankoni
abanye bathi most incompetent coach they've ever seen.
Singazi kumbe eZimbabwe imali na bathe bazampathala imali encane kodwa ashi mina le problem ukuthi asithi kumbe imoto uqhatha udriver ne abantu baletha ama CV yakhe kulabayo bathatha abale defensive abala watu how can uthi umuntu le defensive ethatha umuntu ongela lutho lo phela kala lutho la
in terms of paperwork yabona lezi manje labezi blind khona vele paperwork ziyabulala ilento yonke emaphepheni
but achievement paperwork ngaba good but achievement
this is what I'm saying ukuthi ungafaka uSandy Chitsamba mina bemcompare ngithi local what do we have local who do we have local ngathi kulo Sandy Chitsamba is still capable 78 a good 78 year old Sandy Chitsamba is still young eBoren. It can give us even a good 2 years a platform eBoren. uMarinika bengamthatha bethi njobo ele vast experience kuma under 15 under 17 bethi Marinika una scores buildele kuma under 15 because ukhanya iko good khona bemnika ama under 15 sesikwazi umbe under 17 bemnika under 17
bemnika junior
kumbe bemnika ama junior level yonke yesto bethi ebe ngu head of development ngoba bakhayela development of football bethi Marinika head development then in national team you will work hand in hand lo coach uSandy Chitsamba bemnike 2 years bethi take us through i2 years national team mdala we're going to achieve so much because Khathesa ngokhayela ama local coaches abaningi bekhangele umsebenzi awuyenzileyo ungacheka AFCON abakhuluma ngayo upress statement le iliyana kule covid
le covid
so ngikhethe umuntu ngeCovid phela covid uyekuthi usawuthi Egypt ngeCovid
ama players eEgypt abengekho ukuthi abanje iCovid amanye abengakho even their coaches uthi abanje iCovid
you understand
they can say that
ubusithi umuntu waqualify imali ku round of 16 ngeCovid
vele
uyakwazi ukuthi into le ibuhlungu even ama viewers alalele abhekile yani in a way ukuthi kube kuthiwa ucoach lo uselectwe beyi2 nomunye umuntu manje bekule list yamalo lokho zini
but over 300
then uyebuya lo muntu onjalo ongela lutho hayi zifa uMagwizi abazama ukuba serious
yabona into engisho
abazama ukuba serious
ipoint ebengisho Dobi Masuti ipoint ebengisho mphinde futhi statements kaMagwizi the appointment of coach Mario Marinica like every strategic decision we've made was based on technical merit, vision, alignment, and data, not public statement. Coach Marinica's philosophy mirrors Zifa's vision of growth and sustainable football development. Uyabona ukuthi bona bamkhangele ngelihlo labo.
Yiyo phela ngikutsho.
But thina njengama-fans of the game sesikhangela ukuthi umjida unani wenzeni
because sometimes omunye umuntu anjani ungaletha ama-CV libizwe likhulume maybe ube good ekukhulumeni ivision yakhe babone ngani le yenjani ehambelana lathi
but wena uma ukhuluma ngevision you can't say employ umuntu for 1 year ukhulume ngevision akula vision e1 manje oyiphansi kwakhona kubalance
yiko ngitsho ukuthi ngabe banye kusandetsama very experienced
okwazi vele le culture yethu ukuthi
knows local football
because manje iZimbabwe imeli thathwe ngumuntu manje singathi iZimbabwe iyagalula iyasinka kale ufuna umuntu ozayirisk
because yena uzamele iqalise ukutsha kathesi even siya AFCON ujayela ama-players emjayele thina AFCON siseduze kade so I think uzawuba nzima
ukuthi
sikwanise ukuthi siwine something
umbuzo uthi hawo nge-12 months vele ukhuluma nge-development ye-12 months
yiko phela ngitsho ukuthi vele AFCON phela siseduze yabo so ukuthi sikhangelele ukuthi sizawina u-AFCON nasiqhatsha ucoach obekade sozaqalisa ukujayela ama-players la emjayele ile philosophy ayifunayo yabona into akuyenzi sile tournament so at least umuntu ucoach local la uyawazi ama-players la le language isame uyabona le nto yabifunakala yabinjani yabisazakala
so excuse engaze edliwe first 2 games AFCON uyathi mina ngiyadevelopa ngisaya lokho izinto so kula excuse
let me go through his managerial career 2001 and 2001 ubeku uRoka Bucharest engu-assistant 2003 twi-Ages Pitesti 2003-2004 ubekusimintweli Fleni caretaker coach 2008-2000 which is from 2003-2004 waba ngu-caretaker wahlala isikhathi waze wathola umsebenzi ngo-2008-2009 kuGloria Buzawo interim 2009 wabuye eGoli Black Leopards kahlalanga kuBlack Leopards wasuka 2010-2012 waba ngu-technical director we-Sport Studenski 2013 waba ku-Kappa Skori Rakoski engu-assistant 2014-2015 waba ku-Rapid Bucharest vele khawutsho umuntu okahlali yena mthetho wakho ngoba 2015-2016 waba ngu-director of football ku-Azam eTanzania 2016 waba kuZakho engu-assistant 2017-2019 waba ku-Concordia engu-assistant 2019-2021 wawu-Kerala Blasters ngama-juniors youth engu-technical director then 2021-2023 wayesemalawi 2024 wayeseliberia so uyabona ukuthi i-managerial career yakhe o-Arsenal labana mepenceyisa isikhathi esiya kuma-juniors e-Arsenal lapha bo-Crystal Palace wesiyazifundela asomuntu
lwanothi yena waqalisa yedwa
because yabona ama-team lawa wabalilika sokufuna umuntu webhora ama-viewers amanye vele awazi wena ama-team njalo lokho amazwe kwakhona konke lokho asokubhora vele lokhana amazwe kufileyo and njalo ube i-assistant
ucoach eyedwa ngokwesikhathi nesinobe siba assistant
technical
director eyedwa kahle kahle ube seMalawi for 2021-2023
ngeke ukhulume nge-team sithi azalam lokho we-Tanzania hayi awukeni uchoose umuntu onjani kube thina
ivision yezifa le ivision
ngapha kulabo pitcho abahambe bayakhotha ama-team azwayo zamaleki abahambe
ivision yezifa la
yiko izifa yethu ehlule akula lapha esiyakhona
so kwesisikhathi madoda we have to be honest and call a spade a spade
this is poor.
For me this is poor then to make matters worse kwathiwa isquad sesibizwe ngikula ma-friendly sibizwe mbani ngoba yena ubengekho mbani ubiza isquad
obviously
akula player A1 azi mbani obize isquad because isquad lesi esibiziwe isquad edesibizwa uMichael Nis akula nje etshintshileyo isquad ukuthi kulomuntu ovele opika isquad
kulomuntu opika isquad lo muntu okhethe ucoach owazi ukuthi ucoach lo nguye abekhuluma
ucoach izifo vini yibo asiyali that we can get
Yeah,
is guaranteed but ama-player nangu ama-player asekhona sibiziwe isquad sibiziwe ithiwa isquad sikamarinika akunamuntu amaziyo lona vaya manje
yena vele laphana I think isquad siyabe sibhekwe yizifa yona emkhethela ama-players ukuthi qalisa ubone laba cause yena already uyabe ngakabi kwazi abantu laba vela beZimbabwe cause la nje so ngeke choose umuntu uyabe umchoose umbone ngani uyabo obviously ngaba kwazi maybe 1 or 2 ama-senior players adlala ngomaya manjani amali
into eboyazi kuyinto
locally vele uyabe ngakwazi umuntu
ngithi into eboyazi kuyini but coach marinika is announced his first
anti babe
sebefuqela yena la
athena ngiyese ngcoach
yena ngoyise ngcoach
this is yiko lekhwiri
because the
goal
statement osifunde oqala uthe sengucoach with immediate effect
yes
which means whatever kubuyayo
yena anti yena uzaphuma la ku conference ekhulume la side of story yakhe ukuthi mina nathi squad angabizi ngiyenze njani uyabona cause yena katheso obviously isquad esiyabe siphumile vele sithi ucoaching ngiyena lo uyabo
ulaseduze
isquad mana ngisicheck
but amboni vethu uyabiza siphi nengakwazi even one
because i-continue ukuthi ngiya-understand and si-continue uMichael Nisi kebe ngasela sizathu sokuthi simxotsheleni understand because it's the same players ode vele edila labo utsho mlo abavele beyiwo ababiziwe akunanto etshintshileyo topi lapha
akunanto etshintshileyo
phela kungatshintsha in a way ukuthi sikamba from bad to worse kube lo tshintsho
phela yena maybe yabethe yakwanisa ukuthi yena ngcoach andithi so bona labathi abadlala ngala ababuye bonke ngibaqalise ngabo babona laba yibo okumele silokhuze
ndaso lapha sengizibona akusibize topi
alright goalkeepers kulo Washington Narupi Marumo Gallants FC eGoli Elvis Chipezeze Imagesi FC Martin Mapisa Moze FC Gerald Takwara ama-defenders sesukuma-defender la Gerald Takwara
uzijayele
libhiya Al-Ittihad Munashe Garananga FC Copenhagen then kubuye uCodnos Murira Scotland Emmanuel Jalai Dynamos Teenager Debe Estates ngale Divine Lunga Mamelodi Sundowns Brandon Galloway iPlymouth sesuma midfielders wabuya lo John Fabish wabuya lo Tawanda Chirewa Wolves wabuya Marvelous Nakamba Luton wabuya Sean Fusire Sheffield Wednesday Prosper Padera lo dlala ePoland John Zemura uTennis Daniel Msendami Marumo Gallants then Knowledge Msona Timon Machope Prince Dube Washington Navaya Tawanda Maswanise Billy Antonio uyo Walter Msona
and
then technical team Mariana Marinika coach Kaitano Tembo assistant uyo twangu Penel Charles Makop goalkeepers coach
lo Stellenbosch
Uchikondi Mandalas strength and conditioning ubuye Abraham Bayiwa fitness trainer ubuye Ronald Dumisani Moroka analyst lo James Makoni analyst
umanager lo lokuzeni abatshintsha
umanager abambhala technical team
yabona into engitsho Jensen ngesquad is the same thing
vele akula into kutshintshe one
abantu abangekho lapha ngukhama lo Marshall Munetsi and labo ngani kule nkulumo behind the scenes why bengekho ku squad then antu lokuzeni umsono uqinile imeli
umsono ulimele Machope balimala then base ku replacewa nge defender bafaka defender kodwa ulimele ama strike
kulimele strike wa replace ngathi andiyabona
bafaka uishe wesimba
i defender
ulimele ama strike
ulimele ama strike So
Bafaka u-Isha.
so asazi ukuthi
But uyabona i-vision yabona ukuthi yaka.
ikho phela ngikutsho ukuthi into ehlopha la abantu isifane yona iyabisibisela isquad.
Dala. Uthi ungathi uya-check-a proper uMarshall Munetsi inkulumo interview yakhe lesike sayikhuluma ngayo la that other
last
week.
week.
Imumethe into eziningi.
Yeah.
Bengamlalela kuhle.
Yeah.
Wakhuluma into eziningi eziqhakathekileyo khona pha enkulumeni naleya ekhuluma eSouth Africa. Yibo abantu bebhora base yena kube le change of coaches ku-Wolves. Base besithi uMarshall Munetsi uthe usafuna uqala second lo coach omutsha ngale obuya that's why engekho. Then ukhamba kwathiwa for personal reasons asikwazi but kulabanye abangungunayo eceleni ukuthi ngani abafana labana balezinye inkulumo abazikhuluma that's why bengekho ku squad. But uMarshall Munetsi bathe uza join. Ucoach Marinika bathe usese
Saudi Arabia.
Sefikile eSaudi Arabia ngoba isquad kumele ama-local kumele uyashayisana lazo khona ngale namuhla. But gents, I'm not happy. I don't know about, but I'm not happy.
I'm not happy.
Actually, nge-direction isquad esisithathayo esiyakhona. I'm not happy.
Ngibona is from bad to
worse. Even ama-fans they are not happy.
You understand? Asikho lokho.
Abantu abathanda ifootball ikakhulu eZimbabwe sebese baba pull down. Ngoba vele wathi announce I saw even kuma groups amaningi. Akula lo muntu oyedwa wathi ungezwe umuntu oduduzayo uthi hayi asiboneni khona. But la ngoba umuntu esithi asiboneni khona uyabe vele sesolile.
Nxa usithi asiboneni khona
i-chance yakhe uthi simbone le quartala.
Ama-friend nala pressure lawo.
But manje yasibonisa ide thina sifuna ukumbona yena iphilosophy abuya laye ukuthi is it the same lalo kade silaye o isitshintshile uyabo because kwesinye isikhathi yena sengachance mdala
ebhoreni umuntu uyachance
sengachance.
But what I was trying to say is
thina ukuthi we were expecting umunye umuntu like maybe njengamabizo exactly but ikanti thina as a country asikafiki vele ebantwini bona laba in terms of because thina we think you are phala amanye abo maybe South Africa labo bani but thina vele sasengemuva.
But mina ngiyabuyela futhi ku-I uthi kulento kulabo thijama labantu behambisile ama-survey la ngumuntu oyazi kahle iZimbabwe nje ozayi understand. So laphana mbona ngani bayilahle kakhulu kube kuthiwa appointelwana umuntu ochizamba ngoba now sikhuluma so much we are drowning siyasinka besifuna umuntu ozasirescue abanjengabo Chizamba abakwazi team from kudala abayenza something eteamini yabo.
But the only good thing that came out of this squad Munavaya.
Yeah.
Umuntu obizela uMarinika squad understand ukuthi select top goal scorer abantu bebevele bekhala ukuthi awusho umuntu okanye lifuna ezenzeni bambizile
ku 17 goals
sokusela ukuthi bemnike i-chance ukuthi maybe nce uzadlala but overall chance I'm not happy. Moving on away from a national team but was still with Zifa. Zifa has proposed expansion of iCastle like a Premier Soccer League. Izinkulumo ezikhona kuma boardroom sase kuma boardroom basacabanga basaplan bathi bazakhuluma lama stakeholders ukuthi ileague yethu eZimbabwe ibe le 20 teams then kuchintshwe i-calendar si align kuhle le lomhlaba because into lomhlaba ubusithi thina sithi so basaku
ukhuluma ipoint laba ngoba kuya affect. Look at South Africa lobo England bedlalayo kabe kufana mabe bethatha ngala ama break yokuthi they are going to national duties kabe kufana nafo.
So into iZifa ethe isazama ukuthi ukuhlalele phansi bathe baza khulumisana nama stakeholders eBoreni uboniswana ukuthi into le iyaphuma yini ngoba ungathi uya-check-a kade sithini i-league siyaphela amanye khona ku-peak even ku-CAF kuya-affecta ama-teams ethu ngoba nxa sile team omele idlale it's unfortunate ama-team they don't progress ngabe let's say isimba bora progressed i-league yangabe yabe siphelile
Phelile.
abakho competitive sebehle ngabona
Sebemelele ama-game.
somele bemelele ama-group games ayi-CAF kuyabulala ibhora that is why i-league yethu ayisakhangelwe e-Africa isiphansi kuma-rankings so ilokhana esasikukhuluma at least this is a positive direction inkulumo ezinje so it's a positive direction it shows ukuthi ngezinye indlela even kula lapho esifeyila khona they are taking steps towards a betterment of football it helps ukuthi siqanse even kuma CAF rankings ama teams that compete kuma CAF competitions we always make an example of South Africa ngoba umakhelwane bethu local based players amaningi even phela South Africa lama players amaningi adlala outside but ukuthi beba-check they know ukuthi ama team lawo deqanjwa ode siwaqamba udlale lo Prosper wa OSJK what abanye
Plymouth
no ama team lokana duba
D3 ngale kuyarigate la ku 3-3
ngoba ama team lokana ukuthi even oSimba Bora nxa be serious iligate serious ba match kona iBF you understand so nxa sibiza abantu abanjengabona ku squad eGoli bathi bakubonda aloku akusincedi but this side league is very competitive it shows now they've qualified for a World Cup it's showing development at South Africa from under 17 under 20 wonke World Cup under 17 asadlala iWorld Cup qualify to next phase so I understand so iZifa is taking a direction ukuthi asiqinise nini ileague yethu inkulumo ezinje somna ziyangichaza because zizasincedisa
phambili
so ufuna ukuyenza isimogo ngama-ground
yiko ngikutsho ukuthi thina inkinga yethu ngama-grounds because kathesa njengoba ukuthi singaqalisa kathesi izulu mali sina kuyagcina kusekulama-game inendi amaningi yabula ama-game inendi so I think singaqalisa firstly vele into ezincane silungisa ama-ground ama-drainage ama-grounds then i-vision yaleyana yabe isi-right manje isingaqaliseka kwamba
like last time asho bekhuluma ngokuthi uMagwizi wakhuluma nge-20 years to come manje 20 or 15 so mbona ku right kokana ukuthi next these years ezibuyayo lezi beqalise ngama ground because lokhu singawuhalela but now it's raining season antsho bonile Sunday abafana badlala elokhuzeni echibini ibhora lisayenzi lutho akula poor drainage akula so abaqale ku develop
manje phela ama plans la asekukhulunywa ngathi ukuthi 2026 season kungahamba kuhle ama stakeholders ngapha eSRC Sports and Recreation Commission kukhulunywa kahle kuvunyelwane sibili kuhle 2026 season sungabona sokuthi siyaqalisa ngolokhuzeni lathi
June
August because then okunye kodwa affect ema window xa ivula lapha esingahambelana
super vela sihambelana
so bafuna into yokathi esihlihambelana so bathi bona into zabo zingihamba kuhle sibili i-buy-in could kick off in the 2026 season so abantu nxa ama stakeholders evuma lathi as fans because we have to be considered as fans i-idea sibonke hayi into esharp sivumelane lawo 2026 so ngaqalisa so ama stadiums at least now I'm happy sesingani kule 2-3 nyana
bembona le i-national sports la ukuthi
it's coming up nice
it's coming up proper stadium sibili I think very the national team soon next year sesingabe kudlalelwa khona
bathe isiku 65%
so ngibonile
kusafika next maybe yabe sikubo 70
bucket seats sefakiwe
ithefu
anjengethefu menze uzayifaka lapha anjengethefu beyichaya nxa ungaso AI bezibela
like yiko sikufunayo i-football thina silandela i-football labafana labo lokuzini labo babonke at least yabo
national sport on that note I was happy sibili ibone national sport is coming up proper sibili ukuthi maybe next year
very next year
Chawanda sabe Chawanda sile national sports sile yada
that rock there
eyadruku then kubuya ngapha iBF mele beyibonele iplan
Yeah,
bebonele
IBF
iplan.
kuya.
beyabonela iBF iplan singaba le 4 5 6 grounds nje
Yeah.
aproper hayi
Alama I
ungaphuma.
think sonke kuyabe soku right then sesiqalisa manje development yebhola
Serious. Gents kuningi man.
kuningi
So from national sports ground there's something that happened to be over the weekend engichaze blind I think le yangenisa futhi izifo ubonile amapholisa eraider ishop eHarare
Anzange ngibona.
awuzange uyibone
Mna
ubonile
ngibonile
kulamapholisa araide umenzi uzafaka ivideo lapha uzawubonisa Scotland I think into liyana kumele sikhayine ngelinye ilizwe amapholisa ahamba ayarida ishop eHarare odithengisa impahla zeScotland ezingekho emthethweni I understand amapholisa afika athi no lapha seliphambanisa la lokho akuvunyelwa lokho into lezi
Isithengwe ku Scotland, eshomashop eScotland.
iScotland lama shop lina we are breaking the rules
exactly
so into lana ingichaze in the sense of ukuthi yebo singaba lenkulumo ezicheneyo ukuthi just because it's Scotland but I think that's the direction efunakalayo elizweni
Laphana akulankulumo
zinengi ngakutshela
but into enhle kakhulu
because
now you see abantu uma bekhamba besiyathenga eScotland ngokwakho like kunikeza i-team imali yonke into liyana iyabe isenzwa improve i-team ayikho into ukuthengiswa estradeni noma ngubani ayiprint ivovo lakhe alokhu izinto lakhe abantu begqoka into zama 50 rand 30 rand i-team sesikhala ngokuthi i-team ayila mali but i-team inkulu
but iScotland I think ba trademark into leyo so itshengisa isifundo to ama team like into lesikhale kakhulu ngayo ungacheka like iyayilinda anyone
can say liches le
abantu baziprintela bezenzela imali and iyayilinda ayikathathi angazi why ingakathathi indlela nalana ukuthi abantu bona labana bebotshwa
because sometimes phela abantu sebengathi kuyiScotland but umthetho uyabukhona vele umthetho ukuthi vele akumelanga ngalithengiswa ama fake
uyenze vele ivuvu wena unje
sokuzenzele ufaka uAdidas icala vele so yiko ngitsho ukuthi to benefit ama team entweni ababezithengisa
abantu bathengisa unlicensed
because into elikhuluma ngayo ungathi uyabheka kwaphana ku 10,000 supporters ayalinda zabe full packed only maybe 2% ababethenge izinto kwayilinda ama original okuningi amavovo konke lokho so iyalenda ayila cent ayitholayo pha but abantu uyabona bonke abantu begqoke black and white but i-team ayila cent so into enze eScotland it's a good thing
lokhana kuhle kakhulu if we take that direction sibe serious uzathola ukuthi vele i-copyright abantu bazaqala ukuyirespect
kakhulu
bazaqala ukuyirespect sibile kakhulu ukuthi
awunathatha amachance because ayithatha amachance
because ungacheck even kubulayo Chiefs zonke impahla zebulayo Chiefs zithengwa eshop ebulayo Chiefs so kungaba njalo emathimini wonke you understand ukuthi kungabi lo muntu othengisa into ezingekho license I think into zethu zabe sezikhanya into leyihlingeni ivile bomusic yonke indawo sibe kwathi masuthi ngochaya adit sayisachasa lobuye kuphela chaya adiodos Bathi yayilinda sathi kani putas lezi iziphi
kumvumia kuchayela inayiki le 3 lines
you understand so into zonke zoleziya it's wrong and benefita amasela
obvious
uyabudlisela nxa uyenza njalo so I like the direction
professional thieves
I like the direction that Scotland is taking
kube njalo kule professional thing lisho kahle lathi for example faka i-Chiefs ile order i-board yonke ile order so kuba nzima manje isingenile soku premier nje sungathola ingela ku Chiefs Village isilenye ishop etown ngoba ama shop ayi3 okuthengwa khona into ngoba kulabantu aba wide open amehlo abavulekile yonke indawo but as long kunjalo abona abakuma administration noma ema team labalanda abalakho lokho
abona la kumele bethathe direction
kube thiwa bayakhopha manje ngeke bekhophe because agenda yabasiyazi over obo Islanders over to hayi thiwa yini chicken ngeke sikhulume ngayo
abantu bekhala sithi why ngenxa ukuthi uyiScotland ule say uScott amapolice amlalele nxa uthi ule cash but I think amapolice ngihambe report
asu
why bona benga report
anu reporter bengayala usubuya usubhala uthi thina siya reporter
ya parade
wankona
kwala ku music industry musician uyakhona ukuhamba ethi ebambele umuntu othengisa estradini ama disc akhe
iPirates vele
iPirates so thina sele Pirates over ezikipeni
ngunenga kakhulu
amangena from khona abasiphuma khona usiyafika
and ishop yakona bekuleze Dynamos
what
Highland beligcwele
ungathatha $10 uthi mina ndleki R100 kuyathatha because umuntu okhona kaluzanga
so I like that
that's a good thing
ngeScotland alukana nguthandeka kakhulu
into enhle that's a good thing
proper moving on guys with the show lo Mafu Marwaro ekhumula indaba yabo Marwaro uyo coaching ngezi yakhumbula Marwaro lo Mafu babaxotsha bathi indlela abalisicotshe I see coach indaba bayihambisa FIFA yaqinisa ku court of arbitration court of arbitration yabisithi ayizwanini bhatalana nabantu laba ini imali zabo khanye ngezi bingani isa dilidala labo besaphila and you have got the right to appeal so I think they besa appeal Mafu nje lo Marwaro be smiling all the way to the bank vela bana choice
aso mali enhle
ingezi very bad because intend check uMafu imele ebhatale $196,750
yes
ingezi icontract and wayisayina ngo2022 babe sayina i4 year deal apana lo Marwaro eka Marwaro manje nje angutsheli manga ungezwe ka Benji uyathi nce nyawumani angutsheli manga uBenji ingezi imeli imnike 600,000
wena
600,000 US
half a million rand
600,000
it's a US
600,000 USD suma billion
vele
awuza kuma rand
16,000
vele kuma rand
awuza kuma rand
vele
kani
cause manje asikhuluma nge20 US sithi 20,000
lapha sikhuluma 600,000
$600,000 it's equivalent to
uyabumnika iteam
unfair dismissal ka
10,000
yahlethe ingezi
because 10,000 rents
yacela iteam ethi hayi ngicela ningi
uyabona labana nqoso ngeli court of arbitration
sokuyilahle
vela usela choice
khona mina
selivumelana into ngiyakubhala
mina khona abangisola sometimes ama emotion sometimes uma uxotsha ku football abantu abake wenanzelana nanto ukuthi uma uxotsha umuntu kuyini okuzakulandela ungaxothi ngeanger kumbe ngama supporters kumbe ngani kuyini okulibalansile yini
anti-class kuma admin
admin
very important uMarwaro iPepok babeyazi iprocedure professional babeyazi
befundile bekufundile kokha
even ungudanda but udama advice
lama advice
aproper
aproper
uma roro udlala ezweni
Eh.
into zonke
Iyakwazi.
lezi vele uyabekwazi
Uyabekwazi.
i-contract you must honor i-contract i-contract yomuntu uthi hayi lapha nxa lingixotsha so kumele linike i-package
Package.
so
lokhana vele is very
Kukhona.
important anisukubonile even kwayilento kuyakwenza kulokhu zini
kulo
ubrito kubrito bake bakwenza ubrito but ibincane
incane
abo
abo ibitheni aso 20
20 yaqinikishwe ngochiva
Chiva
manje cabanga ubenji mdala
600
600 ngoba i-contract yakhe bekufiwa mdala wena
4 years
abama results ashayala
this is a lesson to all the teams actually abantu kumele even it happens even to players uthi umuntu uyatele contract
abantu bemchayeleka ngini
yes
vele shalidliwa njilo ushitiwe la emalawi kumele imbhadala imali yakhe
lusadomba waphiwa mali
usalomba la waphi inkala kade
usadomba wacine phi inkala kade la i-contract yakhe bemenze isitayini
ifazi singene
you understand so these things always happen vele uthola ukuthi lokhuza babe
so lapha thina
ngakhangelanga
we are blaming administrations
proper
ama administration nikwamela ukukhangela khona ukuthi okay umuntu lo because before lixotsha umuntu kwamele lihlale phansi kulingamxotsha overnight walivuke kuseni lathi hamba kumele lihlale overnight kandoda discuss ukuthi masimxotsha umuntu lo kuyini okulandelayo
what are the implications
yiko sikhela ama administration khona lapho ukuthi mawumfana lo usumekelisa iplayer but icontract yakhe ithini
yes
but ngaba le poor administration iyavuka layo ilandela ama player ama supporters xotsha ebisixotsha khela imali ezifunakayo 600
asomali encane ekamafu kabongani it's almost 200
bona sithi bafuna 800 kumele beyikhiphe
800 nearly to a million
800
nearly to a million
asomali
ngaba ama players they must be paid
asomali encane
yafiwa
asomali encane kuyafiwa
antsha abantu ezinye izinto
i-admin iyabe ingalokhuzanga yabe ingadlalanga kuhle indima yeah then moving on to division 1 bekusele 2 ama team ode
ngangena
ungakacaci ukuthi which one is which one. I'm happy ukuthi that one has been concluded. We've seen Air-Drog as we had predicted. They are now the champions of the Central Region. Batle baphi trophy yabo kuhle Harare go to the drama. Harare because Central Region because Air-Drog is leader bearing 4 points. What they needed only to do is
MSU then said one game with the prefer.
Yabo. So bazile MSU became champions. Then Harare besichana 1 point. Last game yakap yazi kule into echaza ngeissue le. I-trophies lokubona trophy ama team ngakusele ama last games i-trophy kuyathiwa ngcono sifake center ngcono sifake center ukuthi inxa ise-BF or isiyeluveve ngcono sibe se-center leseni ngcono sibe at least Ntumbane Makhandeni you understand
sizathi awufa sesihambe
Ntumbane complex
nxa i-trophy isiyeluveve use-center useduze nxa ibe-BF use-center useduze but ngale eHarare Northern Region i-trophy to abahle bayikhera babehamba layo ngapha eNgoni
ngizothi abadrive zibetshela ndiyagama ka
i-trophy bayithe bahamba la eNgoni lapho imombe wakuthi ziyadlala leMozi mdala nto yawazi vele besike sakhuluma but ngendlela ethi sikhayele ngayo gent lathi I think
ngelihlo lethu ngisibona ngale mombe yawura
danti
isikhuruzile but manje iproblem issue yabo naliyana vele ya last year
lokhana kha uphela
because akanya bekufiwa awuso ukuthi Mozi uyabona iphansi njani
amanda
19 la then last game ndude behle bethu cha one note
but bakhuluma otsho mlawo and kulama issue amanye and abantu bayathanda ukungunguna eZimbabwe kuthiwa kwaphuma imali kwathiwa azwana coachalo ubamba la ube yiswi coach wathi hayi mina
ngcono sizidlale
amadila njalo yini
ngoro sisidlalile
mbona uScott ubona uBoys Scott uthushe
akukhona la
awuthushe irikara mdala esithi asiza celebrate abafana bebuzi batabula
mina I think ifootball imeli ibe njalo ifootball imeli ibe njalo yasingathola ama coach anjalo lama officials anjalo ukuthi last ngazo bethenjisa ipackage engakanani bethe intina siya lokuzeni match kahle fe cause ungabona icup sigijinyiswa obviously vele lamanye sibethe this is a done deal sealed
apharinga uthi kukhangile
wena mawukhayile ngelihlo leliyana vele umuntu esithi hayi mombe lapho kule muzi khona
amanda 19
wethi kuyihope vele ukuthi ala it's a cruise
wesingamanda 19 Tomozi under 19 adlale ngombe wawura mdali ngombe wawura bicha u4 5 6 7
ivela ku4 ivela kubani kanje
ichama team
until we win last 4 lapha
so vele even kunguwe but all I'm saying to be ukuthi abantu abafunda professionalism even kunjalo i-trophy ingahanjiswa estate lesleni professionalism faka i-trophy center ngoba eboreni anything can happen
hayi eboreni anything
understand ngoba i-trophy uthola iqinisa isuka engibonisa ise Mount Darwin cabanga usuke ngibona i-stadium use Mount Darwin usuke nothoni use Mount Darwin labana babaphuzele kanjani lama medal futhi lama medal abehanjiswe
obvious bekulela lo kathi uzahamba le trophy ama medal wajiye kale njalo
lama medal abesebuya
uhamba konke kawani
uyabona but abade bese center le center bebengasoze le problem la
bathola ama supporters ephumile amanye
uvese babefike late bafike late
abantu abafundi ukuthi ifootball akula obvious team
akula obvious mntana
akula obvious team
eboreni akula obvious
ngadala bayi obvious la yikho babona khona yikho licina legijima lase Mount Darwin
eboreni akula obvious so odo wacela sebethwala nzima abantu sebegijima driver all the way executive sihambisa i-trophy kuwagama
but bengasolo kuze nezifa kona
i-Northern region
ngithi izifa yona ade kumele kube yiyo engawuvumiyo khona khana ukuthi i-trophy ehlala ngale whitelist ama ibhola lokwensadlala
yikho engutsho masuthi ukuthi they must learn to be professional I think sebefundini ngabe i-trophy bayithethe baba le bayifaka e-center between these grounds and
kola babusumanage isikhathi ukuthi kube fast than ukuthi ufike ngaleso kumnyama
antabo
akusan
lokho embarrassment it was too much kumumba wabo
njalo vele
embarrassment is too much uyibona la usisukuma selihamba lina selikhipha
abaye ebharo mfana kuchaya free kick
ngokwalapha phela kwa
okuhlehlele
Brandon buvo badla uChiefs badla uCaps la uDynamo
kuchaya free kick ngoye makuko ungitho wethi akuchaya free kick mdala mina phela ngizo ngiyave time to ngali mumbe ori yachona 1 minute ngale futhi lo don't odlala la wena uGray
ukonfandana
trick bekugama
bekugama
uyambona ostrike uArnel ufana nothanda ufaka i-pulling socks
la
umuntu uGray
nochaya 3 ngalo
agama
ngongeze agama boys so i-trophy so finally iagama now is confirmed we now have agama Northern region Adrog Central region Southern region auto Chiefs then Eastern ngale iHunters so those are the 4 teams that have qualified Premier League i-relegation akwaziwa kuyaziwa 1 ikhwekwe kuyaziwa 1 ikhwekwe lezana zimelele ukuthi ezinye ziphume i-tough esikhona kathesi
cause zidlalile azange kube le solution bebecantuza wale solution akukazange kube le solution
naye ukuthanda mdala lokho ibhora mele libe so ayikho ukuthi 4 games to go 5 games to go i-team state championship ama-team aselanto ukudlalela ukuthanda manje kona lokuthi i-league ibe so
to the wire straight
it shows i-competitiveness yebhora
but okusuka sokukubi la ama team amakhulu la phela kuyazi ama-team into yazi ingxaki lapha isemathimini amakhulu like Islanders labo Dynamos. So lapha nabona imoya yabantu bayacaka 2 weeks yonke lokho becabanga ukuthi lapha sibili asenge relegate. Yabo.
Alright kona bayenzi awuzini order.
Masuthi kanjani?
Like what I'm saying ukuthi lokho siyakubona kuma administration but look at asikhangeleni kuma supporters point of view anje. Ukhala lama supporters that day they were expecting ukuthi hayi manika lapha siyalokhuzeni inhliziyo zabo zi down. Remember wakunetha and abantu bahambe eboreni kokani ukuthi bezitshela ukuthi this is a done deal singaqeda lapha sesiqedile. But inhliziyo zabo buhlungu. Look at kule 2 weeks more. Ucathi umuntu walo made go size 38 yamthola go size bani. Cause lapha uhamba uDynamos uhamba uIslanders. Lapha we are not talking about smaller teams. We are talking about bigger teams.
Yeah, kona bayalungisisa.
Abalungisa machisi ngama administration.
La ni mafans, inabanikazi bebhura.
Ama fans wabonto ayesehawulisa nje. Umuntu ahambe njengalapha le machipsini akwazi ukuthi uyanga. Limthayile khona. So yikongutshela ukuthi I like.
Alright, asikayele previous okadika wake badlalile. I think this is the first time in history change. Uthi bela ma draw I8. Wonke ama team
Abhataka abakhona.
hayi league yonke. Hayi tobe.
Ngiyakutshela.
Asengaba mina sengaba khona but engadlali the same time. Lapha ayidlala the same time.
But Premier Soccer League this is the first time
Yebo.
in history in Zimbabwe in top flight football. Uthi ube lama draws wonke.
Win
one team. So this is the first time in history.
Yiko phela kusuthi lapha ungadla wonke umuntu ayahamba le fee. Nothing can expect abantwana abale fee ukuthi la singavuzisa sesihamba.
La kuyafika la.
So gents, let's look at the Premier Soccer League in depth. Ama game onke la adlaliwe over the weekend. ZPC Kariba Tel 1. And what I liked as we alluded before. Ukuthi ama game wonke adlalwa same time.
Yeah.
Yabo? I like that. And I want to kwenzakeleni. Akula umuntu odekwazi ukuthi ngale kwenzakeleni, ngale kwenzakalani. ZPC Kariba le Tel 1 0-0. FC Platinum le Rentals 0-0. Yata Dynamos 1-1. Bikita Simba Bora 1-1. Islanders Manika Diamonds 1-1. Ngezi Chicken Inn 0-0. Cabs Moors 0-0. Scotland Greenfield 0-0. Triangle they were big winners ku weekend bachayi Kwekwe 4 iKwekwe la yan disappoint kanje yakamba le 1 akayuyala
Ayaba.
I think sebeluzile vele bona hope ukuthi azange sibone line up maybe I thought la vele babe sebezifakela abantu ababeyitshona bebench reserve.
So let's look at the logo guys. We know Scotland is done. Let's start from number 9 where okule Cape esithola khona iCape United. Cape United on 40 points, followed by Islanders 38 points, Chicken Inn 38 points, Manika Diamonds 38 points, Dynamos 38 points, Triangle 37 points, Bikita 37 points, Greenfield 36 points, Yata 35 points. Then the relegated confirmed one Yata, not Yata, sorry, it's Kwekwe is confirmed.
Yata sasekuwa.
Yata sasekhona.
Yata if ingawina iya ku 38. And anothi iyabichaya enye phezulu la. My winning.
Yata is on 35 points.
Next game ilani.
Next game they're supposed to play let me check. Last game uthi Yata idlala lana. Cause so ku tricky lapha phansi lapha. Last game asikwazi ukuthi which one is being relegated. Right. Nasi fixture. Yata is playing Simba Bora away. Iyada is playing Simba Bora
Another
away.
draw futhi.
Simba Bora is safe.
Another draw.
Ingadraw isi-relegating. Ingadraw isi-relegating.
Siphumile. Uwina
kwenzima but so depend ukuthi Simba Bora you know now so isikhathi sokuthi udlalisa abantu abangasadlali ngoba lapho Simba Bora idlaleli lutho yafaka i-reserve
ala bafuni win because usehambe 7 games no win Pericho mina
Uluphana. And kunamahem manje yaqaba.
Amahem akhona.
Uthi ngani
sesiya ku-platinum.
Ya ku-platinum. Then the next team, sorry. Anbe besikhaliyada.
Sesiya ku-Greenfield.
Sesikhali Greenfield. Greenfield is on 36 points. I-Greenfield next game ile triangle.
Lezi ziyakhipha.
Edliwa lapha kule match enzima. Yona le.
Edliwa lapha phela isiphumi.
Because Greenfield is on 36 points. Triangle is on 37 points.
Uyabona. Edliwayo sehambile khona. Ayila kuthiwa. I-draw ihambisa
i-Greenfield.
I-draw ihambisa i-Greenfield.
And i-Greenfield is at home.
Anjalo yabo.
Lapha kuyahanjwa.
Le game level uyafika. Le US ungezothiwa ibe ngabo 3-3.
Uzabona
second half
ngoba kula yenye ifuna ukudliwa
la.
Then the next team to look at is iBikita Minerals.
Le Manica.
iBikita
Lazo ziyacancela.
iBikita le Manica.
iBikita ku home.
Ile 37.
iManica
yo. Ile ku 37 points.
iBikita le 37.
Ile 38.
iManica le 38.
Manica ngokuyibona kwami idlala le spirit.
Team lana idlala ibhora la.
Ile spirit sibili because I saw them
phela ekopeti.
iBikita is not a bad side.
Yeah. But
So ikongutsho ukuthi vela la ku futhi ziyacancela.
Ifinal vela.
Ifinal vela ila ukutshwane kumbe.
But mina in favor of Manica ngendlela engayibona ngayo. And you know bathi beqeda ukudrawisa they celebrated this guy.
Phela yabona
it was worth it.
It was worth it.
It's worth it. Because yona la ku Bikita ifana le derby.
Yeah. Iderby vela.
Ngale uGreenfield le triangle.
Iderby futhi.
Uyabona.
So chicken ile ayenda futhi.
So ilokhuzeni.
Lezi yabona ichicken ini labo ayilenda labo Dynamos. Bona sebele lakho ukuthi lezi zi2 ziyakhiphana lezi.
So
already kuyase kuyi4. Bona sebengasila kona vele. Bona bengadraw lezi.
asikhayeni so. Asithi for instance eGreenfield la. iGreenfield ingawina.
iGreenfield ingawina.
Iya ku 39. And iGreenfield triangle ile possibility ukuthi ingawina. Or ukuwina itriangle.
Ungawina itriangle
ya ku 40.
Siba safe.
Itriangle ngayisiba ku 40. Iyabe ikhipha iGreenfield.
iGreenfield iyasala lokhu 36. Iyasalile lokuzenini
ile 36. Iyasala 36 ungawina itriangle.
Iyabe lokhu irelegation.
iGreenfield yabe siphumile. iGreenfield yabe siphumile. Then itriangle yabe si safe. Yabe si le 40 ngoba itriangle nxa isiya ku 40 yabe siya kuma itriangle plus 3 goal difference already yabe siphezulu kwabo Highland labo Capes ngale yabe siphezulu. That leaves us so many kind ilokhuze. So ama team la phela wonke ku danger lawo.
Aphansi lawo.
Ngoba ungakhanyela
ndazayi. Aku danger but hayi sakhalisa.
Yawathi
i-danger yakhona nansi Masudu. I-chicken in le Highland. Anti Highland idlala i-chicken in last game. Right. Asithi i-chicken in idla Highland.
yasali ku 38
Highland yasali ku 38.
Highland yabe 38 points.
Mana Highland ile +1.
Ile +1 ingadliwa already siku minus.
Yabe maybe yabe ku 0.
Yaba ku 0. 2 note yaba ku minus. Bayidla 2 note and yabe 38 points. Then kube sokuwina itriangle. Itriangle yabe siya ku 40. Yabe siyaziqanza.
Yabe siqanza but manje yabona ilakhe triangle ayikho ku relegation.
Ayikho ku relegation. Yes. And isingadonswa ku relegation.
Yona.
Kule possibility engadonswa ku relegation.
Uyabona lapha yazidonswa yini? iBikita. iBikita
ingawina zonke.
Uyabona iBikita ingawina yona iya ku 40 points. Uyabona? So iBikita yabe sidonsana yabisidonsa so dependa ukuthi Dynamos labo Highland yabo Chicken badlale
njani
because yabisayile yabo 38 because le yabisiya ku 40 points
iDynamos le platinum iDynamos le platinum
because I want ibhikita le ibhikiti ngawina ibisi imanika phansi
imanika ku 38
ku 38 because niya phezulu kwani kwemanika
yabise ku 40
yabise ku 40 then Dynamos
zabe sezingaki phansi asifuna 4 i-relegation
sifuna 4
karesi 3
khalesi so fast le 3
sesifuna 1
sesifuna 1
i1 yangikhona yiyo yona le bhikita le manika
yiyo
lezi ziyakhipana le
Highlanders vela ama chance akhona
hayi Highlanders zifuna i-draw Highlanders Dynamos
lina kule scenario elingayiboni eloke libalekile eloke ngizama ukuyifaka ngithe mina kungaba le winner between iHighlanders le Chicken enye yangikhona ikudanger kungaba le
enya ku 41 enya sala ku 38
yena le 38
iChicken le minus
kungadliwa iChicken le minus 2 iku 38 points le minus 2
yipi yabe sigadile phezulu kwa Chicken
ibhikiti ngawina yaba le 40
iChicken sise ku number 4
itriangle yaba le 4
sokufunakala team S4
hayi ngidala vela ayiseko iChicken is safe lezi because imanika le minus 4
alo kuwekile ngubonile
imanika njani imanika vele ngadliwa
ngobile bhikiti
imanika ubhikita yomebela umlomo ngaphansi
phela kade si already bhikiti ku relegation
iDynamos yona ingaluza isihamba
ile minus 6 depending on ama results amanye la phansi
because yabona Kyle iDynamos ingadliwa
so yalenda le lokuzeni
sezishaba zingadraw
zingadraw
yalenda le Chicken nazo
ifi iko le problem
so yalenda le Chicken
safe
yalenda le Chicken
safe
akwenzi safe mazi ngadraw
hayi safe vele because zona ama minus angikhona ibhikita ingawina kumanika
imanika
iyaba le minus 5 imanika lese ibidliwe wanoti iyaba le minus 5 imanika isale le 38 iyalenda ngasidliwe iyabi le 38 but ngadliwa wanoti iyabi le
positive
uyabona
ukuthi omathise ngibona Highlanders Chicken
zonke zisese
wazi ukudlala kudle
automatically
zazi
ngadliwa 4
yahamba
vele ngadliwa 2
ingaba ku minus ingaba ku minus
because iproblem ekhona le ile 37 le vele ibhikita ingadla imanika ingadla ibhikita sesihambile ibhikita Greenfield leyada njengoba sesihambile kumbe triangle
iGreenfield ingayiwinile anti kule scenario iGreenfield ingayiwinile
iGreenfield ingawini 20 triangle
itriangle echiya phansi
either way imeli win
so ama team amele adlala imates iDynamos
sifunela idraw
iDynamos ingadraw le platinum
isiqedile
le Highland ingadraw le
Chicken sewuphelile lezi kumele zikhansilane
lezi sezikhansilane
lezi yakhansilana
so we might see a scenario whereby Kwekwe is joined by Yada Greenfield le bhikita or is Kwekwe Yada Greenfield Manika or Kwekwe Yada bhikita Dynamos
iDynamos ingadliwa isihambile i situation yokuthi ibhikiti winning
ku trick
so ibhikita iye ngangenisa iDynamos iye ngakhipha iDynamos iplatinum iye ngakhipha iDynamos iye ngangenisa
so Masutu labele bona i-team trainer idwanini macho i-team draw
athi vele sifuna i-draw
ukuthi ile eyogcina i-draw
then kule issue gents emfuna siyikhangele esingakayikhangeli as a country the issue of ama soccer stars awukaphumi lutho awukavotwa thina let's make our own soccer stars ngendlela ibhora silibukelile i-season is coming to an end sokusele one game let's look at the issue of ama soccer stars
what
do you think is going hayi ngifuna size kube easy siqase sikhayile ubogori mina ngizakhethwa umugori la uzakhethwa ukugori Masutu uzafakwa ukugori icrew la izasinika ngoba ibhora silibukele sonke maybe sibe ama-soccer stars esaphuma lawo thina sibe sesikhangela ukuthi ama-reporter azathini wona anti babakhetha
sibona ukuthi uyabe labantu abaningi
lathi are we closing ngelihlo lethu esikhanyela ngalibhora as ama-support
sokuthi thina kuyabe kule trophy kumbe kuzwa kuba lehamba olama-players amaningi
lesophu ababukeli ukhona
uzazama
okhangele ukuthi hhayi ozaba close I'll do something so kubogori ngizaqalisa Masudweni uNdlube ephokweni uGanethi Kabuyana namhlo wethu kubogori wena ongamfaka ekhalendeni mbani
kubogore mina ngithanda ugore ngibole ngolo eScotland ungcono la
Scotland babambe bayithube
lo obambe le game leli
uNelson Chacha
mbona nguyena
ngomfaka kubogori Mana mbuye kimi bese mbiya kuDube mina lo topilo wani weMalawi lo
mina lapho nguye wami
yabona imembari yale Malawi athi bamba kuSimba la
sheet yami la
ala imembi bamba
yile ma clean sheet yami la
ala imembi ba iTori bora la I think njengoba singani siyavumelana
mina lana nguye ngimfaka eqaliseni
amabizo because bengikhuluma ukuthi
nguWilliam Sithole
sabe siyenza sicheka lokhuza phela kwasithu fact checker obusichekela ama players as we mentioned them nyawathi uyabula ama line up because mina bengikwazi ukuthi mepence ku right back but ukuthi ngimkhumbule ibizo lakhe proper kungangikhulela wena usifact checkele space check bes uSimba khalisi mnando Simba Story machisa kubo keeper lo Simba Story ulo Nyson we Scotland ngo keeper lapho ubafake phansi sizama ukuphuma le face crop best engangena ekhalendeni kuma soccer stars so mina ngithe ugoro weSimba lo uSimba
Thomba no uthe ngisithole Thomba
ukwasto uza fact checkela ebhale phansi ubhala kwathi ugoro we lokhuzeni we ufuna ilokhuzeni ushap all right unjayile fact checking sesiya kuma defenders anona ugoro sonke Masudulu eScotland sesiya kuma defender uzaba lo mnyama ukuqalisa bhutas mana ngiyitshintshe ngiqase ngoTopi angikwazi uqalisa ngaphi
mhle ngiqamba i4
hayi so 1-1 kuhle ngoba singihamba 4 ngiyabese ngiyacinga ngikupha
alright mina oqala Kelvin Moyo CP
kubo CP mana ngithi ishe weSimba yabona lanende la yayibona imvaleli ibhora ngiyabugcina ngani imbiased le Simba bhora man senogore le defense yabona lana eSimba lana engoishe la alana ivalile lana ngiyayifaka ekhalendini Masutu center
center ngathi ngumduwa
lawo yabona lawo uya ku Scott bathi ngabesithi biased ke Scott la
hayi umduwa lakhe
akasikheteli ndo
I'm just saying Ukuthi mina bathi biased ke Simba yena bethu biased ke Scott ulomduwa sesifuna umunye uCB wesi2 wohlo uqalisa
angiqalisa
yibe ngiqalisa uthi umbeba ubedlala ama position amaningi but ungichazile isizini i-second half of the season ngimfake center mana mfaka umbebe center hawo Andrew Mbeba umbeba
mina ngifuna ukuthi
umbeba ungichazile
umbeba vele like hayi
umbeba ungichazile second half of the season
udlala ibhola la umbeba
I like to give a shout out to boys there because isizini iqalisa indlela enye
engalo limele lapha waforce umbeba udlalile
undlela enye itakle enye benginye but yes on my heart Andrew Mbeba mina Andrew Mbeba mbani oselandile
sekuyimi
Andrew Mbeba lo ishe esenta lapha
esenta mina andingithe
Kelvin
then omunye onjayele football lapha esenta yeah mana mfake uThongwe i defender le Simba Bora kuthiwa nguWebster Dafa kuthiwa mbani lo sedlale 100 games kuthiwa mbani
for isimba
for iSimba
ukwazi uza fact check
kuthiwa nguWebster
ukwazi uza fact check wenze singathatha isikhathi ukwazi uza fact check uza fact check so sesiya emaceleni ngawo
Webster Tanaka
so i-fact checking yabona iqakathekile wena cha i-fact checking nani sesemaceleni Breeders mbalo uqalisayo
Kariso kuyimi
so nguwe qalisa
Jalai
hayi no way ngojalayi
Jalai
ngojalayi
sesiya ngu right back lo sesiya ku left mbalo uqalisayo
Masud
ubo left
uleft kulomfana lo thomba lo mfana lo ugcine ngasazi ubhebhe kade ke dlalela ngapha ku left play
echickenini CP lo udlala most of the game CP but i-defender kushap ubhebhe umbhale nje uthi ubhebhe mina azi left back onchayele ezibini Xosto Xolani uya deserve in but first half was doing well amagame amaningi i-second half ibingale mchayeli uXolani
bebe wade kora lo mfana ovale
uyabona uXolani
Ngiyambona
echickenini
ngiyambona
iyayilindi bingela left back i-Caps ayela left back ongichazileyo iMoz left back weMoz hayi left link I think it should be between uXolani mina uXolani if you've got is the number of games ngiyahamba uXolani left back so sende uXolani
left back
Jalai
mina angayiboni
Mbeba lo Ishe
alright
left back
ngizazama ukudinga ukuthi ochayile sibili ongathi oka left uthi ngithi Fumbidzayi
umdala right uRonald
uRonald
sesiyegodini hayi ibe ngikalisayo egodini ama-soccer stars nxa sithina struggle kangaka ama-report bazasikhethile
kodwa uyabona thina ngendlela esikhetha ngayo bona bazakwanisa ukugcwalisa maybe ama-midfielders begcwalise maybe ama-strikers kukhaleni
eish mana sibone sengena ku-midfield onchayeleyo wesibini engimboneleyo ngathi wow kuminyela nyana Dynamos Nyawa ngiyaqasa ngoNyawa Dynamos uNyawa laba mbhikile la Nyawa Timbari mbala nje mutu
ziyakhala mina anise ku defensive
asiyachaya cross mid say mid nje
kuphela alright ngiyathi uMakunike
Junior
unazi kulomfana hotel 1 mfana qona 17 kwangani kufitshane so ngisakwazi ukuthi uqona namba bana ufalo nokuthaya kumid
uza fact check okwase acheck oyi2 ngiyathatha kwaTobu Junior amakunike vele ngekasali kwami awujunior amakunike kasani sele 2 iminyela ufuna 442 mina umakunike Junior makunike Simba Bora
mina then kube sokusiba lo kuSimba Bora futhi tha uziyoja
lokana official
ngani hayi oqinile so okade kulama-assist amaningi so uZiyoja
mina sokusiba lo mfana wemanika uDredi izithi thothwa ngibani uDredi lo
uDredi Fishane Ochango left
uchango left gogo
obomvu zo
yena lwana sengibone 4 games
ngimbonile la
yena lwa
ule 2 je kumasuthi ngicela ungifact checkele Phineas Chiguratabi Chigurupati wona ububabhala njengo Phineas Chigurupati then enye midfielder engeke yasala vele yimi obvious Mozi Nigel Martina hayi Nigel Martina wamboneke kwa hayi yabeze mpayizile Nigel Martina wes3
so yeah yimi sembuya lo Scotland ongela midfielder uScotland
Scotland vena midfielder
udlalile ukhona odlalile babethu kuyi-second half kuthiwa ngumreremba la ya ngomunye njovelayo kuthiwa ngumreremba oweScotland but udlale second half of the season
umreremba uyabe qualify
but uyathi ngiyafaka ubani uSelemane
weplatinum
ngese ngimfake
Selemane ngiyambona
amkhiphi umreremba
midfielder number 3
laphana kale ngafuna ukufaka uMakoni but uMakoni ke nguye ngani ungcono kwaze ngifuna ukufaka umshore ngacawunta bese gcina umshore la ngani ngasekho
wayilini
hayi so uMakoni ke ngicomfile uMakoni
ngifuna midfielder S4 enchayile esibili engeke ngichi mana ngichiki Tobi umfana lokho Dynamo Jesus sikhuluma ngako lona okufeature number 6 upombani Pio alwana nguchilo ba Tongpio Pio yakufuna lo ba lokana kunchovile lokana kuchovile
kwangena second half nje arara
lokana kunchovile lo
then
nzaba le one controversial
sokusele one
sele one nasengisha nomasuthi sele one 442 anje shay 442
mina komiti semfako eish Facebook omunye ojovile uScotland hayi eSimbabwe hayi then eish madoda
mvuze ngaqeda sicompare abalamabizo akithi kimi la kuwe la kumasuthi aba pop up emathimini ethu abaningi
alright mina wesifonya ngiyafaka kulo wena mana mfaka uMartina ngamfaka uMartina
velana alwana
ngamfaka uMartina
mina OS4 lizathi ngicela kuScotland hayi but so far umfana lwana uWalter lwana hade amaphasa akhe yonke into
Walter Mzoni
hayi
ngos4
yini
sesiyaphambili ma strike ama-strike abazikhulumela I think vele laba ama-deserve
mina oqala vele ngunavaya
mina Navaya
Navaya wes2
amajobe
I think ama-strikers ngoba yi-auto macho yibe uthi bakha Navaya macho
hayi macho
so
but mina
uthando lokho
uphamba zokuthi yes uthando uthando ngokuthi
sesilokhuza ikhalenda mina lapha kuma midfielders singa keeper maybe ngakhipha uMartina mfaka uVerem
Very
mina nami se
very
nami lo muntu ayengikhohliwe
Ubhili.
hey kulo
nami kulo
Bill.
muntu sengamkhipha umuntu wamfaka umbongeni kaze ngikhohle ukuthi
Uthi buhamba yena
Phela vele
esikoleni.
kumatina khipha
hayi,
Verem.
mina ngiyakhipha
So-
umuntu wamfaka umbongeni
So kwathi ngobani aba appear kakhulu ku list of the three. So that is compare
Ngivumeleni laphana
umbebe.
ngivumeleni then kulama amabiza athi lokho ngisawadinga ngathi uishe ume ngaye ngasaphindwanga futhi uDafa ngasaphindwanga then ku right back ngivumeleni uJalai uJalai then ku left back ngale uPope akubhebe noXolani noFimbitsana
Bachini. Sifuna appear kakhulu.
Ngikho phela ivumelane khona kakhulu uMakunike uMathina uvere mngani futhi limnike imini amandla again
Uphili phela, uphili very.
Mina ngithe uMatina kaphuma uVerem engene.
mina la umuntu
Mina ntshintshanga.
Lo wajintsha.
nantshintshwe wani kuphela
Mathina
umuntu
phela lo bhuda songumina
So actually lo yibabathe.
So i-top 3 likely most likely to be there eKalendeni. Mfundisi lesikhethe thina 80 soccer star. Jalai Makunike Navaya. Jalai Makunike Navaya. No Martina.
owesifo ube ngumbeba maso
Lo Mbewu. Navaya. Machope. Lo Jalai. So yiba ama-top lawo. So guys, from these three njoba ngani siyavumelana okumbe wonke ama-Americans let's nominate i-soccer star
of the year.
of the year.
Mina Kelvin Moyo.
Kelvin Moyo.
mina hayi ngiyahamba ngoNavaya
And I think I'll give it to Jalai as my soccer star of the year.
Usiqedile.
Eh.
Usuqedile nje asifuna aba explain.
No explanation that Jalai is my soccer star of the year.
Mina
Kelvin Moyo is soccer star of the year.
mina Navaya
Navaya soccer star. Sesiya kubo coach of the year.
Andira.
Coach of the coach of the year.
coach of the year ngulo
But let's explain it a bit.
Hayi, I'll explain. Kuphela kade.
Hayi nje ucoach.
Diraya mina.
mina
Indira.
coach of the year mana ngithi hayi ngowemosi
Umtasi.
Mtasi.
Na uchomo wami ngamwezani ebese relegate.
Sithi asiphi umuntu explain la. Athi full very much.
Mbrukumweza. Yayithi iweze.
Mwezi.
Awusipanile.
Ne, awusipanile.
Awu Genesis. Genesis Mangobe.
Thank you.
Is my coach of the year.
I-first runner up
Uku
soccer star.
kuma soccer star I'm like give it to Junior.
uJalai
Junior Makunike for me.
Mina
Uyalandela uJalai.
Mina
in terms-
uNavaya. I-first.
Yeah. Then give me
I-second.
Unavaya singaba yi-30.
I-third.
Mina Makunike
Unavaya singaba
nguyi-30.
yi-30. Ngoba Jalai so
Kuchiyeni.
uthini?
I-second. The third yabichiyeni. So i-second mina ngithe uNavaya. Wona wathi
Makunike.
Makunike
Junior Makunike.
mina wami second nguJalai
Jalai.
mina the
Makunike
But what I'm happy about.
u-third yami uJalai.
So this is what I'm giving to the fans. Next week's show, fans sicela usinike who you think is your soccer star of the year, the coach of the year. Got omunye pure of the year man, a fan of the year. But befuni controversial. Je kutopi je kuwa ngikazi wachaya izithende eziningi. Awutopi mele beze eKalendeni. Benza. Awumtshela pheza nje. Utsho area nje shothi. So Jetty Renters ayina play lokuzini eKhalendini.
eKhalendini hayi mabefuna nxa kule 20
ba right
Bayiswi.
bayiswibo na bengi
Akule team elenye players ngabe sikhohli edeserve abasekhanda. So bengisakhuluma nababukeli ukuthi this uze ukhanti bebelandela ishow sesiya ku isizini siphela
ama awards
yabo besikhethele lawo ngendlela ethi bebusizwa ngayo lendlela ethi bebukela ngayo ama soccer star besinikeze soccer star of the ama report engakasinikezi official lawa ngawethu besinikeze so that we engage ku comment section usinikeze just bebe 3 I top 3 yakho ngiyakwazi ukuthi lapha kulokhu zeni umpume uzasihamba umpume yabele list yakhe kuyamfiwa uzasihamba so uma chisa yakhe I top 3
yami soccer star Kelvin Moyo second runner up ngunavaya then we-30 ngujalai
ubuchance mina ndojalai soccer star Junior Makonike lo Navaya
mina ndo Navaya ndo Jalai ndo Makonike
yes these are ours asikungama official these are our opinions la usinikeze eyakho iopinion then we engage in the comments bona ukuthi ibhora besilibona ngelihle lifanana ngelihle because ibhora is a game of opinions achene omunye ulibona ngeyakhe indlela that is why maybe ama players lawa amanye abengabizwa ku squad thina besibakhangela ngelinye indlela o coach bekhangela ngelinye indlela then kubo coach mina uGenesis Mangobe I think it deserves something then laba balondira Lomtasa I think those two lingabe lishap mina abe ngikhambe ama emotion
no right maybe sengatata
I never yazo ishileza yenza ngale foreign kubo coach
nakazi
ukuthi ucoach othethe i-team odiphansi sesikhaya le team lezi sirelegate wayiphakamisa I don't think ucoach bona labo ba recognize wajeni
bona they only recognize
that's why that's why City let's bo coach let's try and explain a bit bemfuna nje sifike give me coach why bengakhangela ucoach laba maybe it's a topic for another day but sesivala I think coach bona like umsebenzi maybe enziwe ngokhayindi although in my opinions achene I think I did well even though lamcocha lena kwayeleni
ngathezi hayi did well especially inxabe ngasurvive
ku Dynamos really did well I think na those are the coaches embakhayela ukuthi ngelinye ilihlo because to me I triangle sasangasayibani wafika umjida kharispa ku final eChibuku you never know what's going to happen sengayisurvive but a chance yoku survive the relegation if it does that I give me kudos akasoza swela umsebenzi ngiyawazi next season ziyakhala uyathola team very definitely so I think that's it guys anything esingabe sichile that caught your eye esingabe sichile
namhla sijalo
akulanti entesele ende besithanda ukubonga guys
amagunanzi
sensiyachayisha mpompo
amagunanzi
sithi lingadinwa la kusasa
siyabonga
azake siphathe into ezinje
thanda ukubonga sizehlisa siyabonga kakhulu lana elisilandelayo siyabonga kakhulu lingadinwa please guys ompume ku comment section lapha always engaging siyabonga kakhulu guys Masudu last word
ngithi siyabonga kakhulu for ama viewers abalandeli bebhora like they must keep following football and advising us lapha singabe silahleka khona because masingabantu lapha silahleka khona but mostly they must subscribe umsebenzi uqhubekele phambili ngendlela siyabathanda bonke and siyafisa this ukuthi iqhubekele phambili ibe into enkulu kakhulu
Topi last word
siyabonga hayi season manje siphela ama fans ethu kunzima but siyabonga lokho lisenzela khona subscribe yonke into yabashapo lisitshele lapho esiphambanisa khona lapho esikwanisa khona lisitshele hayi siyabonga.
On that note, I think see you guys next week. I think I've said enough. I've thanked enough. Lao nxa ulisandla ufuna ukuyelulela something. Please siyabonga ukuthi ama-light lawo ebeleke layithile in cash and kind. Please support us. Nxa ufuna uku-advertise, get in touch with us. Ama-details akhona laphana bazafaka ubone la, get in touch with us, advertise izinto zakho. Baningi abantu abafuna ukubuya, just come through. We're open for business. But otherwise, I appreciate everyone on the channel. Tshela omunye ukuthi there is something nxa uthanda ibhola ala tshela omunye sifuna ukuthi next time next season but ishow iyaqhubeka vela yabulokhu ikhona, but futhi next season sibe baningi kakhulu ku channel sikwazi ukugcwalisa i-national sports. But otherwise guys, see you guys next week. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Ciao.